Black cats have long been surrounded by myths, legends, and fascinating truths that make them some of the most intriguing feline companions. While some cultures associate them with bad luck, others revere them as symbols of prosperity and protection. Beyond superstition, these sleek and mysterious creatures have unique characteristics that set them apart from other cats. Here are 5 awesome facts that make black cats truly special. One of the most interesting things about black cats is their ability to change color. While it might sound unbelievable, many black cats have fur that can turn a rusty brown shade when exposed to the sun. This phenomenon occurs due to a genetic quirk in their fur pigment, called the rusting effect. The gene responsible for black fur, known as the dominant allele for melanism, can sometimes interact with sunlight and cause the fur to fade or reveal hidden tabby stripes. This means that a black cat sunbathing regularly might slowly develop a brownish hue, only to return to its deep, rich black color when kept indoors. Another remarkable fact about black cats is that they are often healthier than their non-black counterparts. Studies suggest that their melanism, the genetic mutation responsible for their black fur, may also provide them with stronger immune systems. Some scientists believe that this trait evolved as a form of protection against diseases, making black cats more resilient to certain infections. In fact, researchers have drawn parallels between the gene responsible for melanism in black cats and genes related to HIV resistance in humans. This has made black cats a subject of interest in scientific studies that explore genetic resistance to diseases. In various cultures, black cats have been revered as symbols of luck and prosperity. While in Western superstitions they are sometimes unfairly linked to bad luck, in other parts of the world, they are considered to bring good fortune. In Japan, for example, a black cat is believed to attract positive energy and even love. Women in Japan traditionally kept black cats because they were thought to bring them more suitors. Similarly, in Scottish folklore, a black cat appearing at your doorstep is seen as a sign that wealth and happiness are on their way. Sailors also preferred black cats aboard their ships, believing they would bring safe voyages and protection from storms. Black cats have a unique advantage when it comes to survival, thanks to their natural camouflage. Their dark fur helps them blend seamlessly into their surroundings at night, making them excellent hunters. In the wild, their melanism provides a stealth advantage, allowing them to move undetected by both predators and prey. This might be one of the reasons why black cats have been linked to mystery and the supernatural. They can move like shadows, appearing and disappearing in the darkness with ease. Their elusive nature has likely contributed to the folklore surrounding them as magical or even mystical beings. Despite their fascinating qualities, black cats have unfortunately faced discrimination throughout history. In some periods, particularly during the Middle Ages, they were associated with witches and dark magic, leading to their persecution. However, in modern times, people are beginning to appreciate them for their beauty and unique characteristics. In fact, October 27th is recognized as National Black Cat Day, a celebration aimed at promoting black cat adoption and dispelling myths. Sadly, black cats tend to be adopted less frequently than other cats due to lingering superstitions, but their affectionate nature, striking appearance, and fascinating history make them wonderful pets. Black cats are more than just Halloween symbols or good luck charms. They are resilient, unique, and full of personality. From their scientifically interesting genetics to their rich cultural history, they deserve appreciation and admiration. If you ever have the chance to adopt a black cat, you might just find yourself with a charming and mysterious companion who brings a little extra magic into your life.